out green infrastructure, and that's very much what they're doing now. So just some thoughts on basically how to, the next step after the plan and how to think about implementation. But just want to mention, one of the things that we know that green infrastructure is good for is that it is very much an incremental approach. It's an approach where you build out slowly but surely. You build out a few at a time, or you build out a couple acres, or a couple thousands or tens of thousands of square feet at a time. And as you do that, you are able to learn from what you design, what you build, and what you operate and maintain, as opposed to these larger infrastructure projects where you're really building out and spending hundreds of millions of dollars on one investment at one time. So we see the benefits accrue incrementally with green infrastructure in the communities they're built, and we also see that you're able to monitor and tweak designs for better installations as you go. So that's a real big difference between green and gray. Hopefully that makes sense, but what I'm showing here is that it really is a feedback loop. And what we're going to talk a little bit more about right now is this kind of monitoring data assessment at the bottom. So we have our program and our planning already done. We want to start implementing, but we're going to start in a way that we can test things out and continue to improve planning, design, construction, O&M. So moving on, demonstrating performance. This is basically going to be very much about New York City's Green Infrastructure Pilot Monitoring Program. And what we did before coming up with the plan is coming up with a monitoring program. And we monitored over 30 sites, 30 different installations